My life is over, yeah. I guess I'm running out of luck, 'cause you're just not drunk enough to fuck.
Right?
Come on, we all gotta sing. I feel like I'm drunk. I could whip my whipple.
Gotta get Ozzy in here, too. My fat bear.
Yeah.
Booty belly.
Bartender, I really did it this time. Broke my parole to have a good time. When I got home, it was 6 a.m. The door was locked, so I kicked it in. She was tripping on the bed. Shit out into the yard. And she called me a bum and slapped me real hard. And my drunken stupor, I did what I shouldn't have done. Now I'm sitting here talking to you, drunken on my nuts. On the bar on the inside, waiting for my ride on the outside. They tried to go without me.
Alright, Travis.
Fucking car.
Really? I don't fall for the suicide story.
Oh, come on. They fucking jumped out of the bag, hit splat, and hit the window. They tried.
They couldn't go through.
Yeah.
They tried and tried and
They tried rolling, but they got more stuck,
More stuff.
More stuck did. I'll have to remember that one.
More.
Oh, you heard that they added a LOL and OMG and I don't know, one other one to the dictionary?
Did I do that?
Yeah.
Oh, God. I'm going to shut the door, because you guys